Hello students, welcome to Narayana Live classes. Today we are discussing 9th class mathematics assignment number 50 related to the topic mensuration, right? Here is the first question. If the sides of a triangle are 16 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 34 centimeters, then the area is. If three sides are given, what is the area of a triangle formula? Area of a triangle is equal to square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S minus c. This is also called Heron's formula, right? Where this s is semi-perimeter and this a, b, c are sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle. And s 2s is equal to a plus b plus c, we know that, right? So s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2, that is 16 plus 30 plus 34 by 2, that is equal to 16 plus 34, 40, 50, 50 plus 30, 80, 80 by 2, 40. So s is equal to 40 and a is equal to this 16 and b is equal to 30 and c is equal to 34. These three are sides of the triangle, right? So that is equal to square root of s is 40 into 40 minus 16, that is 24, into s minus b, s is 40 minus 30, that is 10, into 40 minus 34, that is equal to 6. This is equal to square root of 40 into 24 can be written as 4 into 6 into 10 into 6, right? That is equal to, again this 4 can be written as 40 into 2 into 2 into 6 into, or otherwise you take like this, or otherwise simply, right? This is 40, 4 into 10, 40, 40 into 40, 40 whole square, under root of 40 square is 40, right? Into this 6 into 6, 6 square, under root of 6 square is 6, that is equal to 40 into 6, that is 240 square centimeter. So area of a triangle is 240 square centimeters. So option 1 is the correct answer, right? Now coming to the next one. If the area of an isosceles right triangle is 98 square centimeters, then its hypotenuse is. In right angled isosceles triangle, what is the relation between hypotenuse and area? So that implies area h square by 4 is equal to delta. H square by 4 is equal to delta. That implies h square by 4 is equal to delta area is given 98. That implies h square is equal to 4 into 98. That implies h is equal to square root of 4 into 98 can be written as 49 into 2. That is equal to square root of 4, 2, square root of 49, 7 into square root of 2, that is equal to 2 7s are 14 root 2 centimeters. So the hypotenuse is 14 root 2 centimeters, that is option 1 is the correct answer, right? Now coming to the next one. If the length of the diagonal is 14 centimeters and the length of the perpendiculars on to the diagonals are 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, then the area of a quadrilateral. So what is the formula of area of a quadrilateral? The area of a quadrilateral is of d into this a plus b. A b are the perpendiculars. This a b are the perpendiculars and d is the diagonal. D is the diagonal, or you take h1 plus h2, h1 plus h2 also perpendicular distances. that is equal to half into what is D? 14 into h1 plus h2, that is 5 plus 6, that is equal to 14 2 ones are 2 sevens are 7 into 5 plus 6 11, that is equal to 77 centimeter square. So the area of a quadrilateral is 77 centimeter square, that is option 4 is the correct answer, right? Now coming to the next one, if the area of a parallelogram is 1 or 2 square centimeters and the distance between the parallel sides is 8.5 centimeters, then length of the corresponding side is. So we know area of a parallelogram, area of a area of a parallelogram is equal to B into H. B into H. That implies area of a parallelogram gives given 1 or 2 square centimeters is equal to B into, and the distance between parallel lines is 8.5. That implies B is equal to 102 by 8.5, here multiplied and divided with 10, that is equal to 102 into 10 by 85. 2 5s are 10, 1 7 5s are 17 5s are 81, 17 6s are 102, right? That is equal to 2 6s are 12. So 12 centimeters. So side is, length of the corresponding side is 12 centimeters. So option 3 is the correct answer. Now coming to the next one, if the diagonal of a square is 14 centimeters, then the area of a square is, so this is the given square, right? One diagonal is given. What is the diagonal? 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters, right? Now find the area of the square. Area of this square, right? We know that diagonal square, diagonal is nothing but, suppose if you take this triangle is a right angle triangle, right? Right angled isosceles triangle, right? Right angled isosceles triangle. So side of a square is x. Suppose I am assuming square of a side is x, right? So hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square by Pythagoras theorem, right? So x square plus x square is equal to 14 square. That implies 2x square is equal to 14 square is 196. That implies x square is equal to 98. X square is nothing but area of a square. Why? X side of a square is x, then area of a square is x square. So x square is equal to 98. So 98 centimeter square. So area of a square is 98 centimeter square. That is option 2 is the correct answer. I hope today class is understood to you. Thank you students. Stay home, stay safe.